So we will see the text now. Where the mind is without free. First of all, we have a look on the recitation of the poem. See it closely. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where knowledge is free. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Where words come off from the depth of truth. Where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection. Where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit. Where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action. Into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. So, see the explanation. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. In this line, the poet R.N. Tagore is advising to his countrymen that we should live in such a country, in such a society where the mind is not filled with any type of fear and the head is held high and the head is always upward or high, where knowledge is free, and into that society or into that country where the knowledge is imparted freely without any distinction, where the world has not been broken up into fragments. And he also forms the dream of such world, such nation or such society that has not been broken into small pieces. Fragments means small pieces by narrow domestic walls. And what are these narrow domestic walls? The distinction on the basis of caste, creed, language and color. See again, the world has not been broken up into fragments. He dreams or he presents before us the image of such world, such nation, such society that has not been broken into small pieces by narrowness of caste, creed and color. These distinctions are not there. Where words come from the depth of truth. It means where each and every citizen or people is always ready to speak truth. The citizens or countrymen should be the lover of truth. Where tireless striving, tireless means constant, लगातार. Where tireless striving means struggle, stretches means widens, फैलाता है, its arms towards perfection. It means into that country or nation or society, the people are always constantly struggling to stretch their arms, to widen their arms towards the perfection or towards the progressiveness. It means into that ideal state or nation or society, the people will be dynamic or the people will be a progressive nature.